You will notice that if you hold cursor on line 3 under each of the column headings, it will give you a description of that particular field. And if you still don't have enough information, you may return to the Instruction tab to get more detailed information. I'm going to go ahead and start entering in data. I'm going to enter the date and the format that was shown. On the location settings, it is very important that we enter the name of the facility in the same manner throughout the workbook. The reason for this is that the data that is being captured is being used to submit reports to our funders. In order for the data to be reported accurately, we need to make sure that we are being consistent with the name. When we're looking up the location settings for a program or event and you're unsure of the location setting, go back to the Location tab. The easiest way to determine the category is to think about the location in terms of, is this a place where the participants go to eat, learn, live, play, shop, or work? Once you've determined the category, return to the monthly worksheet and make the selection from the drop-down menu. In this particular case, the place we're looking for falls under the live category, and it would be an individual home or public housing site. So I'm going to return back to the October tab, go to the drop-down and select individual home or public housing site. I've made that selection. I'm going to continue with entering in the data. City, the zip code, going to go to the drop-down name, to the program name and select the program. This particular instance was a one-shot for adults. There is no session number. The number of contacts was 13. We did not have any graduates. We did not have any survey information to enter. The number of males in the program were 3. Number of females were 10. There were 11 Hispanics and 2 whites. The program length was an hour and 15 minutes, and following the instructions that would be entered in the format of 1.25. Under the category selection, we would select systems, and I'm going to use the miscellaneous section to add in some additional information. And this was a one-shot program on the importance of hydration. Now, if you notice, I've already pre-filled some other entries. I'm going to jump over to January, and I have pre-filled entries there as well. And I'm going to jump over to June, and I've entered data there as well. Now, if I jump over to the reports, first one is October. You'll notice that the information that we entered in our October tab is automatically carried over into the monthly report. That information is automatically carried over into your quarterly report, as well as your yearly summary report. If you're looking at the reports, you'll see that your county, your name, all of the numbers that you entered previously in the monthly tabs are carried over into this. The first portion of the work of the report is the breakdown of the curricula, gives all of the information regarding the sessions, your survey information, the length of time and the duration of the program. It gives you a percentage breakdown. Shows you the cumulative total of each of the different categories. Your next section gives you a percentage breakdown of your graduate goal by programs. The bottom section gives you a graduate goal by audience group. And this other section gives you a percentage breakdown based on your activity count.